Hey everybody, if you're one of my students, I just wanted to give you another method of doing a distance formula that might make a little bit more sense to you because I have, as you know, there's always the textbook way of doing things, there's always the Van Laar way of doing things, the way I usually do it. So let's just say we have 2 points, 3 comma 3, that's fine, and let's go with 2 comma negative 1. So we're going to find the distance between those 2 points. Now, I always stack mine on top of each other and do what I call the elbow man. Like when we find slope, for the distance from 3 to negative 1, that's negative 4. The distance between 3 and 2 is negative 1. I take this number, I take this number. That's my A and my B for the Pythagorean theorem. That's how I do it. I use the Pythagorean theorem. I get negative 1 squared plus negative 4 squared equals C squared, where C is the distance between those 2 points. So then negative 1 times negative 1 is just 1 plus negative 4 times negative 4 is going to be positive 16, because a negative times a negative, again, that's a positive, equals C squared. So then you get 17 equals C squared square root on both sides to get rid of that C squared and make it say C. And now I know there is no perfect square for square root of 17. And I believe that on big ideas, it is okay if you use the square root symbol and just leave it as 17. On iExcel, I believe they want you to calculate this on the calculator, but on big ideas, I think they're okay with you just leaving it as the square root of 17. So for the Van Laar method, it looks just like this and nothing more. If that's a little bit easier for you, feel free to do it that way.